The price of amethyst is unfreaking ruly. Give me 5 minutes before you start filming this guy. This poor guy. We're gonna get on a plane and we're going to be going to Denver. You know, I was really on the fence about whether I'm gonna go, am I not gonna go, but there's a lot of friends of mine who are gonna be out there vending and it'd be nice to see them. But also, like, we have to make this content. So sure, let's spend $5,000 to go to Denver for a week just so we can make content for you guys. What I am going to be doing is really looking for fake materials, faux materials. You know, these shows are really great places to do that. Shows like Denver and Tucson and other ones, which some of the shows in Denver are actually not allowed to go to. True story. Last time we were in Denver, didn't really go that good. Actually, last year we found that tourmaline. I bought that tourmaline for like $8,000 or whatever it was. So that happened last year. You never know. What else did we do? What else happened last year? I got yelled at by some guy, gave out some high fives, touched a person's service dog. Remember, you like told me, you're like, you can't do that. Yeah, now I know. I haven't touched any service dogs since then. You know, hopefully it's a great trip. I hope that I don't really like offend or upset anybody. Like, that's really my goal. And I know people might be like, you know, you probably are thinking yourself right now. You're like, you know, but I can do it. I believe in myself. I'm gonna be like on my best. I've said that before, right? I've said that I'm gonna be on my best, and I did well.
I think you say that every jump show we go to.
Yeah, and I, yeah, well.
That you got bad.
All right, so we're here, Denver Coliseum Show 2025. We're in the parking lot. Already seen several people walking around with open-toed shoes, and I haven't even gotten into the show yet. So I'm expecting this to be really great because everyone knows that man's feet in open-toe shoes is good luck. Look at that. You're the first person I see. It's a sign. Where's your booth? Oh, that's pretty. How's it going so far? Busy? Yeah?
I sold all these books first day.
What? Damn. This is Moroccan agate. I don't know why it's so sticky. It's always sticky. It's so sticky. If we are gonna get stuff from here, which I don't know yet, you know, it depends on if I see something that, like, you know, I can't source directly and like I have to have it, I'm gonna need somebody to collect and consolidate my stuff, and Yusuf is my boy.
I have like 10 boxes.
It's a lot of material to buy, but this is my boy. Been my friend for 10 years plus. Again, it's one of the things where, like, in the industry, like, even if you have direct sourcing, making friends with people and having connections with people that are like good people that'll help you out, those relationships are not easy to form, but they're also really important. You know what I mean? Look at that. You look like you should be in Sarasota, Florida, dude. You can help me with my stuff?
Yeah.
All right, good. So that's that. How come you guys are in different tents? This is your booth?
Yeah, I'm inside.
You know, if you're ever wondering why like when you come to the bigger gem shows, there's so many Moroccan dealers, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. It's not that there's so many different types of dealers, it's that it's one dealer or a family and they kind of scatter themselves out. You guys are separated?
Yes, separated.
Really?
Yes.
You're not friends? You guys are fighting now?
No.
No? You going to kill? The cousin will be here, the brother will be there, the uncle will be there, the father will be there, and they kind of do that. Like most of them do. You know, because the thing is that you come to big shows and it's hard to cover all the ground. So you might never come to this section of the show. So they put themselves in each kind of section of the show so they make sure that they hit everybody. It's very smart. Man, it is fucking hot out now, right? This morning it was cold, now it's freaking hot as shit. How about this stuff right here? Really? Yeah. What's the price here?
60 each.
What's the price for azurites?
100 for this quality. If you have this quality, 200. This one is 400, that one is 350. This one is 300.
What if I take all of it?
All of them can give you at 5,000 for all of them.
5,000?
Yes, we have one. We have one.
You're gonna make me start negotiating with you?
Yeah.
Come on, man. So far you haven't told me one thing I like to hear.
250.
Just say the right price from the beginning, then I don't have to negotiate with you. I don't want to negotiate. 200 is good. You know that.
Okay, to start.
Yeah, it's not to start business. It's the right
Just for today. Just for today. We start.
just for today.
Yeah.
Where's Yusuf? All right, so good. Grab that. Let's start with that. It's 200 for a box. You're saying? 200 is expensive. You know it's 180, but I would take 2 more. I don't feel like negotiating right now. It's too hot. So it's like
I'm gonna give you at 180 each box.
There you go. Now
And they
you,
give you the correct prices now, not negotiating.
please.
prices. Okay,
I don't feel like negotiating.
Okay, how many
That's what I'm
boxes?
trying to tell you. I know the game. You put the nice stuff at the top.
No. Not
I know. I trust you. But this is what I'm saying. What's nicer, the top one or the one under it?
all of
All of it. Let's see what the third one looks like. Yeah, you see the quality just decreases as it goes down. I mean, that's one of the things that you always have to remember, which is okay as long as it's like, you know, it's not like a death price. But you got to remember the good flat is always on the top. It's the truth. All right. So look, this is a great opportunity to see. So these guys, they're from Brazil. They got the amethyst out here. Sun is rocking and rolling on it. But the thing is that people are really worried about amethyst getting tarnished by sunlight. If it's only for like a week or 2 weeks, it's not going to really do much. But if you leave it, if you left it here for like a month, you'd see that the amethyst would get lighter. What's up, man? Is this obsidian?
Yep.
Is this like a volcano bomb? Do you know how this happens?
Bubbles. Air bubbles.
So this is at the top. This is the surface.
Yeah.
I kind of need to take that. What's the price on this?
145. You won't find it anywhere but here.
Really?
Yeah.
In this tent?
I'm the only one who has it.
Wow. So if I find it somewhere else, then what happens?
I give you a better deal.
I'll come report it to you, okay? This is like Lake Titicaca right here. This is some Titicaca.
Sacrificial knives.
What? Oh shit. Oh my god. What are they saying, Gabby? It kills?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That.
I don't know if I'd get involved in that. I'm more of like a love, kindness, you know what I mean? Yeah, I can't get involved in sacrificial murder things. It's not my gig. No, it's not my gig. I'm like sweating a little bit.
Yeah, it's so hot.
It takes a lot for me to sweat too. And it's not even that hot.
It's the sun.
Yeah. It's the farkin' sun.
Can you talk about your experience so far?
I mean, I just saw huge pyrite penises, which was like pretty crazy. You see this one? I mean, we just kind of got here. There's nothing to experience so much yet. Dude, it's a June bug. Yeah, it's fake, but it's cool. It's a June bug in there. Oh my God. That's so mucho scary. Hello, sir. Can I ask a question? How much?
It's 4,000.
It's phosphaterite, right?
It's stick tight.
Oh, stick tight?
Yeah.
Is it hand carved?
Yeah, it's hand carved.
That's friggin' dope, man. How's it going? He's busy?
Yesterday busy.
Thank God. Good. I'll see you later. I'm coming back here later. Thank you. You know what I'm noticing? Actually, a lot of people are live streaming while they're here and selling stuff directly out of the booth, so they don't even have to buy it, which is pretty smart. The people that I've seen that are live streaming from here that are just purchasing, and some of these people are not even purchasing. They're just able to like stream right out of the booth because it's not busy. Like you can see, there's like not many people here. So let's be honest here, and I don't want to do this to anybody. I have a new agenda, which is that I'm not going to go near anybody. So now that we're very far away, I will say that one of the things that I'm noticing here, and one of the good parts about being here is that I get to start seeing trends. I start to get to see how people are pricing things, and holy mother of God, the price on zeolites is in freaking insane. The prices are bazonko. I don't know if you know what bazonko means. I just made it up. I think I made it up. You ever heard that word? Bazonko? Okay. Actually, that's true because the miners raised the price on zeolites over the last year. The prices have been raised 30%. Plus, with the taxes on India right now, if you're trying to bring stuff in from India, it's 35% right now. So maybe that's why the prices are so high on zeolites. But anyway, I will be selling it dirt cheap in the live sales. We were selling these green garnets for $15 a piece, $10 a piece. They're getting sold for $300 a piece here from wholesalers. So you know, again, it's one of those things, and I hate to say it. Like I wish I wasn't saying. There's nothing else to say though. What am I supposed to say? What else am I supposed to talk about? Like really, right? Like what else can I say? Like I'm like frustrated at myself, but at the same time, it's like
You're triggering yourself.
I'm triggering myself. I'm waiting for that to happen. I'm waiting for someone to be practical and reasonable. Oh my.
Hey, I know you.
What's up?
I've seen your Instagram videos.
How are you, man?
I'm Danny.
Chris, nice to meet
Chris,
you,
nice
Danny.
to meet you. I get your videos sent me more than anyone else's.
That's good.
So what do you do?
I get kicked out of gem shows. Yeah, I mean, there's a fine line. You're walking a fine line
Oh, I mean, someone's got to be out there pushing buttons, bro.
until you get kicked out of all the shows. This is one of the only shows I'm allowed to come to still.
Really? Or like that?
All because of Instagram, dude. Isn't that so crazy? Like, who gives a shit?
Okay, we'll call
Yeah,
security.
but although we really like the people who throw this gem show,
Okay.
right?
This is the first time.
Don't get yourself in trouble, dude.
I have no complaints
Don't
about them.
I mean, that's what I would kind of think, but at the same time, people who sell tumbled stones for $18, you get called out for it.
Well, people get mad at me for saying it.
He's like, maybe you shouldn't rip people up. And then you don't gotta be so like worried about yourself.
You heard that? If you're interested in sterling silver jewelry, which is the same as 925, right?
It is 925 is sterling. It's 92. It's 0.925.
I just wanted
Okay,
people
so
to
it's
know that you know that, not
92.5%.
that I don't know that.
Okay.
You should come and buy your silver stuff. What do you got?
You guys like tanzanites? Beautiful purples with that nice yellow, but the reds are really what you're looking for.
Yeah, that's good stuff. What's the name of the...
Heartened Creations.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Keep on pushing people's buttons, man. They need it in the world.
Yeah, I mean,
many frowns
until
people are.
until I can't go anywhere anymore, right? This is not Chrysocola. You know what? I'm going to do the thing that pains me more than anything else in the world, and I'm going to buy fake material from people.